Okay, so try this again. Bought this Fender roller, not to put big meats on here, but to correct a problem that I didn't really notice until after I put the quarters on. Well, I did notice it, but I thought I was going to get away with it. Anyway, this side I did the inner tub, or the outer tub, sorry. So that outer one there, that's all smooth. That's the one I replaced. And the quarter skin. But when I did, I was left with, I don't know if you can see here, there's a big space between the two. And, you know, it doesn't look like a problem from here, but it is because, you know, you don't want to have that filled full of dirt and water and start rusting away. So, you know, I could fill it full of seal seam, but that's not right. And, you know, it should be welded together. So I guess, you know, I did try and put some clamps on there, but when I did, it distorted the outer quarter, and that's no good. So my other option was to slice, you know, the quarter and then bend it up, tack it, weld it, make a mess. So I thought of doing this. Try bead rolling or fender roll these lips, and hopefully they will come together, because as you can see, I don't know if you can see actually, it kind of, these aftermarket quarters kind of slope in where they should be flat. If it was flat, it would probably be okay, and I'd be able to tack that to the outer tub. But being aftermarket, the stamps they're not perfect. So yeah, you can see it there. It kind of rolls down. So anyway, we'll give that a shot. I'll do another video when I do the rolling and let you know if it works. Well, I must say the Fender roller worked like a dream. Now I've got no space. It's a beautiful friggin' thing. Yeah, wish I would have thought of that before. All the body guys probably know it, but I'm just an amateur. So, yeah, there we go. Problem fixed with an $80 tool.